So we have another Model S in, a brand new one actually. We are doing interior trim wrap. So it has that nice Apple Store like wood, and we're gonna wrap it shadow black. Do we need to take it off? No, we don't need to take it off the car, but why do we? It's because then you get a much nicer end result, because you can go around to the edges here, you know? Especially like around these little holes here. It just makes more sense to do that. What?
So ugly.
The wood?
Yeah, the finish.
That's why we're wrapping it.
Looks like IKEA.
Unless like Apple Store.
I don't even think that looks like IKEA.
I like that wood. Ted coming over like, look at this wood, like the French fries from In-N-Out.
So here's a close-up of one of the trims we just got done in shadow black. Looks pretty cool, right? It's like a black camo, floral color, and then in the light you kind of see all the different shades of it. It has an elegant vibe to it, but at the same time, it's still pretty aggressive and manly, I guess.
Call it rad, bro. Pretty rad. Pretty rad. Doing nothing?
We are finished with the interior trim of the Tesla Model S, but before I show you that, we did tint the car in Photosync 30 on the sides and the back, and 70 on the front windshield. Very popular setup for all the Teslas out there. Incredible heat rejection, but you still get a little bit of privacy where you need it, and of course visibility where you definitely need it. But now let's talk about the interior trim wrap. So we did something really unique. So as you know, the interior was once that light wood that comes from factory. However, now it's wrapped shadow black, so it has this really cool black floral slash camo even, if you will, design to it, and it looks really cool. It has a nice contrast to that really simple, clean looking cream interior. I like it. It kind of gives it an exotic look or something. It is wrapped over wood, so if you look, you can sort of see some of that wood grain texture. Those horizontal lines come through, but it's not that noticeable, and honestly, it works with the pattern in my opinion. And as you saw earlier, we do remove the trims off the car, and we also remove the AC vent areas. That way we get a nice clean wraparound, so it looks OEM as much as possible. This is something extra that we do, but we believe that it gives a much better overall end result.